I think we're here.
We're here.
Yeah.
All right. So we are here at Woodfin Cascades, and this is the second time within, I think, 2 weeks that we've tried this hike. It's sunny today. The last time it started raining, so.
It started pouring, and this is not a hike that you're going to want to make in the rain because it is really steep. So this is a secret path. One thing about this Woodfin Cascade Overlook is you can't really see the Woodfin Cascades. And then there's a trail that's nearby, but that doesn't really get you to the Cascade either. So this is a secret trail that will get you down to the base of the Cascades.
And what we call one of the best kept secret hikes off the Blue Ridge Parkway.
It is a hidden gem off the Blue Ridge. It's not for everybody. It's
ready to hike?
It's a, huh?
He's ready to hike.
He's ready to hike.
Pushing me.
Oh yes, and we are going with our trusty and faithful friend Odin. Right, Odin? Right, Odin?
Right.
He's all excited. He's ready to go. Okay, so before we get started, yes, Odin, I love you too. Before we get started, if you like hikes and you like, you know, finding secret cool things to do in the Smoky Mountains, please hit like, hit subscribe,
Ring the notification bell.
Ring that notification bell. So let's get going. Okay, so when you're looking at the sign at the Overlook area, it's to the left here, the secret trail. So if we walk this way, might be a little hard to find. You walk to the end of this paved sidewalk, and we're gonna go down right around this corner here. After you.
Okay.
And you could probably let him off. Odin's excited. Are you ready? Are you ready, buddy?
You ready to go?
We ready to go? Come on.
Once you get down the real steep part, it's just basically going left, and you go left the whole way down. So one of the things you can look out for though are the blue markers on the trees. So we've got a blue marker right here. It's hard to see, but blends in with the moss. And there's another one right there. One of the things that is really neat about this hike is that I can bet there's nobody else on this trail. So part of the secret is that there's not too many people here. Hello.
Hey.
Are you having fun?
Oh yeah, I'm having a blast. It's slow going, and then I forgot about this little creek crossing.
Oh yeah.
Much easier with trekking poles.
Oh yeah. Oh, Odin just jumped right over.
Yeah.
Well, he's got 4 legs. These rocks are slippery though.
Yeah. A little bit.
Okay. Watch out, it's super slippery.
Yeah. Well, it's so steep. It's like pushing my toes into the fronts of my sneakers.
Right.
I'm resisting coming down.
That happened to me too. Just don't fall into me. I love these little puffy balls. I remember when I was a kid, I used to go around and pop them all the time. Do you remember these?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that one didn't puff. When we used to pop them, there'd like be a bunch of smoke that would come out. Why are you shaking your head?
Because it didn't puff.
Oh well. Once you come down the really steep incline, you come to this road. It's a really smooth road. I don't know whose road it is. I don't think it's a private road, but anyway, it takes you right to the Cascade.
I think it is a private road, but there's no
Anniversary
signs.
kiss.
Oh.
Mwah. Okay, so the road's down here. I gotta get my trekking poles. Odin, are you waiting for us at the road? That's a good boy not going out into the road without us saying it's okay. Even though I'm sure there's nobody out here, he still obeys. Don't you? Whoops, almost tripped. All right, we're here. We're on the road that leads to the Cascade.
When you come down the hill, make sure you make a point of checking out these rocks, because you could walk a pretty far distance without knowing how to get back on the trail, but these rocks are the marker. From the end of the trail to where those rocks are, you're going to want to go right down this road, and this will take you right to the Cascades. All right, and then when you get to this road, basically you're just following the noise. Go to the right again. Alright, so technically it says that this waterfall looks like this line right here is private property. Odin, come on, don't trespassing, come on. But we made it here, and we're not gonna stay. We're gonna head back. Just wanted to check this out.
Hey.
Yeah.
What's wrong with your trekking pole?
Nothing. We're just gonna be going up a pretty steep climb, and I'm shortening up the pole so that I can use it to help get myself up. So when you're going down, you want to lengthen your pole. When you're going up, you want to shorten your pole. So
good idea.
That's a little short, but it'll be good going up.
What did you put it to?
120. I normally, for it to be a right angle, I keep it at 125. And then when I'm going down, I set it to 130 centimeters.
Right.
So 130 centimeters.
So if it's anything like my trekking poles, I could hardly read.
See, right here.
Well, those are legible, but when you get down to the silver, it's all worn off.
It is all worn off. I was going to take a Sharpie, and there's the numbers there. I'm going to take a Sharpie and just kind of mark where those little
that's a good idea.
Notch marks are.
You're so smart. My calves are burning.
Huh?
My calves are burning.
Already?
Well, it's that initial shock to the muscles.
Yeah. Hey, Jill.
What? All right, that means I have to use my trekking poles with one hand.
Okay. Puffy ball.
A puffy ball.
Is it gonna puff?
I don't know, let's see.
You gonna puff it?
No, the ones here don't puff like smoke.
They're probably not dry enough yet.
Maybe. What did you say?
I smell a little bare.
Oh, really?
I mean, not a little bare, but
musty.
That musty smell.
Okay. I need to take my shirt off, my other shirt, my outer shirt. I'm hot.
I can understand why you're hot.
Oops, almost fell back just then. Talk about steep. Odin, it's easy for you. You have 4 legs. Ooh, me calves. I wonder how Marcus is doing. How's Marcus doing?
Not too bad. The trekking poles help.
Good.
The trekking poles and the compression socks. Big difference from the last time.
Uh-huh.
But if you've made it with us this far, do me a favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come with us on other adventures. But you have enough energy to carry a stick, don't you? You found a stick? Are you gonna bring it? You gonna bring it? There you go. Well, climbing up this hill is one thing. Climbing up this hill and having to go over and under all of this brush makes it that much more difficult. Woo! Made it.
Nice hike.
That was awesome. That was great. We did it.
We did it. It's definitely a hike worth doing if you're used to a steep terrain and just cutting it through the woods, even though it's a trail.
Or if you're just up for the challenge. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button, you know, thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Hit subscribe.
Thanks to our subscribers too. We are so happy that you're following us.
Yes, thank you. And hit that notification bell and you will get notified the next time we post a video. Until next time, happy trails.